Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a backup on the VIVO X200. Okay, so let's begin. Basically the process is really easy, so don't worry, I'm sure you handle it. So first we need to go straight into our settings, and now from the top we need to scroll down into the bottom until we find the system management. Now we want to click on backup and restore. Also below backup data option we have the automatic restore. If you want, you can enable it. Basically, when reinstalling an app, restore backed up settings and data. If you want, you can enable it. And now under the Google server, as you could see right in here, we have the backup option straight into the Google Cloud. Below account storage, we have the Google account. So make sure that you won't lose the password to this account. Otherwise, you won't be able to restore it back in the future. Okay, so once it's done, simply click on backup now. Now the process has started, and below the backup you can see this small thin blue bar, and when it gets to the end your backup will be saved in your cloud. And that's the whole process. So if you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.